Hello and welcome back everyone to the Trending Impression series. I hope you all are healthy, hearty and happy and in the best of your health. 8th March, why is it celebrated? क्यों इतना known है? वैसे अब तक thumbnail देख के you must have guessed it. Yes, it is International Women's Day यानी कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस. So to all the women out there, a very happy Women's Day to all of you. Thank you so much for all the efforts that you put in our lives and in all the spheres wherever you are. So I thought मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा inquisitiveness थी, curiosity थी जानने की कि क्यों सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है वुमेन्स डे अचानक से. क्या somebody must have thought one day कि चलो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. There has to be a history behind it. So अगर आपको पता है कि क्या why is it celebrated, किस दिन से ये स्टार्ट हुआ, कहाँ से इसकी शुरुआत हुई, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. और इनकेस नहीं पता है, सो दिस इज द वीडियो फॉर यू. ओके, सो इट हैज़ बीन मोर देन अ सेंचुरी नाउ जब से कि वुमेन्स डे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. जैसे ही हम वुमेन्स डे सुनते हैं एक फेमिनिस्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ फीलिंग आती है. मतलब विमेन, यू नो, वुमेन्स डे ऐसे वर्ड सुनते ही वी फील लाइक कि अच्छा देयर इज, यू फील दैट फेमिनिस्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ फीलिंग इनसाइड यू. सो हमें कहीं ना कहीं सबकॉन्शियसली ऐसा फील होना शुरू हो जाता है कि कहीं ना कहीं इस दिन की शुरुआत या इसका बैकग्राउंड कहीं ना कहीं वहीं से लिंक्ड होगा. बट नो, उसकी जो रूट्स हैं दैट लाइज इन योर लेबर मूवमेंट. सबसे पहली बार इसको ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया था या आप कह सकते हो कि सेलिब्रेट किया गया था इन 1911 इन द अर्ली 20th सेंचुरी बाय द मार्क्सिस्ट फ्रॉम जर्मनी जिनका नाम था क्लेरा जेटकिन. शी बिलोंग टू जर्मनी. शी वॉज बॉर्न इन 1857 in Germany's small town called Widerøe. क्लेरा जेटकिन एक ट्रेन्ड टीचर थी और सोशल डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी से एसोसिएटेड थी, which is now one of the two major political parties in the country today. She was also associated with the labor movement and also with the women's movement that time. In 1880s, when the anti-socialist laws were passed, she self-exiled herself in Switzerland and France. During that time, during her self-exile, she wrote a lot of literature and also she distributed that literature to a lot of people. She also met the leading socialist of that time. She was also the founder of Socialist International, which is a worldwide recognized organization of the political parties which focuses on democratic socialism. फिर वापस जर्मनी रिटर्न करके after completing her self-exile, she became the editor of Die Gazette. Gazette means equality. Die Gazette basically एक newspaper है for women's, for their democratic party. So she was the editor there from 1892 to 1917. That is for almost 25 years. In 1907, she became the co-founder of International Socialist Women's Congress. In 1910, just after the 3 years of that, in a conference, she gave a suggestion to celebrate Women's Day each year on 28th of February. The conference consisted of over 100 women from over 17 countries, Union Socialist parties, Working Women's Club. Hence, Women's Day was celebrated for the very first time in 1911 और उसके ठीक 2 साल बाद in 1913, its date was changed from 28th February to 8th of March and hence from there onwards, 8th of March is celebrated in every country as International Women's Day. So each year, 8th March is celebrated as Women's Day to commemorate Clara Zetkin, to honor her as she, with her efforts, moved the country from dictatorship to democracy. She was also called the grandmother of German communism. Every year, Women's Day is observed to celebrate the spirit of women like Clara Zetkin and to celebrate women, their rights and achievements. In fact, according to its website, it's a global day celebrating the social, economic, cultural and political achievements of women. The day also marks a call to action for accelerating women's equality. Every year it is celebrated with a different theme. This year's theme is #ChooseToChallenge. It indicates that a challenged world is an alert world and from challenge comes change. So on this beautiful occasion and day, I would like to celebrate, thank and congratulate to each and every woman for just being women and also for playing each and every role and colors of life so beautifully, be it being a mother, mother-in-law, daughter, daughter-in-law, etc., etc., and also for excelling in all the spheres of life, be it being a doctor, lawyer, politician, housewife, house help, scientist, pilot, etc., etc. The list is long. With this, a very happy Women's Day to all of you again. आप बस खुश रहो, क्योंकि आप खुश रहोगे तो आपके आसपास के सारे लोग, पूरी दुनिया खुश रहेगी. With this, I, Shivani Sukhija, your host and friend for the evening, will take your leave, and you know the drill. So if you have liked the video, which I know that you would have loved it, then give it up a thumbs up and also share it with as many people as you can. In fact, make it viral. Also do subscribe the channel if you haven't till date. Till the time we meet again, be happy, kind, generous and lovable to everyone. Love, love, love. We pray good things for you. Bye-bye.